Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Kaiphod University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kakhya Jrong Sorkar Jilla Uba Wailan Miki Shilla. Laitu baka Sorkar ka abya ka Kaiphod Jrong ka Neigrhims ha kabay day bat ka Kynnoh ba Nos Shinrang. Jrong ti ya kawi ka Khynnah ka badang hapo ka khat prasnem karta. Ulaong baka Neigrhims kadang toket hishwa ya ki kampo ying jongka. Bat ka Sorkar kan sabishar bnia hadin balayo ya ka Kaiphod.
Because from their end, from Neighrim end, so we have inquired. So they have put for the investigation, so inquiry. So they have put for inquiry. So we are waiting for their report. So based on their report, then we'll take action, because we have to wait. I think we have to give them time to inquire from their end what has really happened. So after that, when if we'll see that if everything is in order or whatever, if there is we see that there is any chances of anything, so then state government will step in.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.